Activity 5.2. We can try preparing temporary mounds of leaf, tip of roots of onion, or even peels of onions of different sizes. In the previous activity, we took only one onion, but in this activity, we will take different onions of different sizes. And we can also take leaf peels. Now we have to do the same like we did in the first activity. Take an onion bulb and take out epidermis from it with the help of pair of forceps. We will put it in the watch glass filled with water so that peel does not dry. We will apply saffron in solution, which is a dye, on peel after putting it on a slide so we can see it clearly. Put a cover slip on the slide. Take care to put cover slip so that bubbles are not there on the cells. Then we will observe from the microscope. After performing the activity, let us see what are the answers to the questions. Do all cells look alike in terms of shape and size? Do all cells look alike in structure? Could we find differences among the cells from different parts of the plant body? What similarities could we find? The answers that I am going to give can be written as conclusion and observation in activity 1. You can see the question and the answer is no, cells do not look alike in terms of shape and size because different shape and structures are needed for different tasks. Question second is written here. The answer to the question second is all cells do not look alike in structure. Their structure depends upon the function they perform and the environment they live in. For example, a nerve cell is different from a sperm cell. Question 3 is written. Answer is yes, we can find differences in cells from various parts of the plant body. There are different types of cells in the plant body. They have different structures and perform different functions. So root cells could differ from the type of cells present in the stems or leaves. Question 4. There are different types of cells, but prokaryotic and eukaryotic are true cell structures and types. The similarity between them is that genetic material, that is, the DNA, is common between the two cells. These are various types of cells from the human body with different shape and size. Thank you.